So you need to add the radio sound effect to a voice. Not a problem. Now this is probably the most common type of sound effect that most military genre game devs need to know, and it is also probably one of the oldest skills I have to teach you. I've used this for virtually every single game project I've worked on, every single song, even cutscenes today when I'm working in Unreal 5. So this is how it works. You record the raw audio from your phone with the voice recording app, and you save it and you email it to yourself and take it to any audio software you're comfortable with. Personally, I use Audacity, so that's the one that I'll show you in this video. Once the audio is dragged in, we need to clean up and remove the background noise. So select the empty space, go up to Effects, Noise Removal, get Noise Profile, Control A to select all, go back to Effects, Noise Removal, and remove OK. Cool, now we have clean raw audio.
Arena Combat Aptitude Evaluation Program. Target Rank 29B. Armor Type F-22. Call Sign Raptor. Combat Engagement Authorized.
From here, you download the free version of Fruity Loops Studio. Fruity Loops is a music making software, and it's also the software that I use to make all the soundtracks for my game. It's also by far one of my favorite software because they have the very best customer service I have ever seen. The free version of the software is the exact same as the paid version. The only difference is you can't save anything on the free version. So it's perfect for letting you try and mess around to see if you like it. But if you are even slightly interested in making music, definitely check it out. For our purposes though, here on this video, the free version is just fine. So drag in your audio into the timeline, change the mode to song, press the spacebar to play, and make sure that it's working.
Arena Combat Aptitude Evaluation Program.
Then double-click the audio file, and under this drop-down, hit Route to Free Mixer Track. Now from here, click on these arrows to stack your effects. I always start with the Sound Goodizer. It really enhances the quality of how crisp and clear the audio is.
Arena Combat Aptitude Evaluation Program. Target Rank 29B. Armor Type F-22. Call Sign Raptor. Combat Engagement Authorized. Arena Combat Aptitude Evaluation Program. Target Rank 29B. Armor Type F-22.
And now we'll add another one of my favorite effects, the Fruity Chorus, which sort of layers copies of the voice on top of each other.
Arena Combat Aptitude Evaluation Program. Target Rank 29B. Armor Type F-22. Call Sign Raptor.
And now we will add the Fruity Parametric EQ2. Now this effect is actually designed to help you master the lows, mids, and highs of your music, but we can also use it to simulate the radio effect by going up, right-clicking the presets, and then hitting radio. Bam! Check it out.
Arena Combat Aptitude Evaluation Program. Target Rank 29B. Armor Type F-22. Call Sign Raptor. Combat Engagement Authorized.
Now from here you can manually adjust the levels until you're happy. Sometimes if you want something to sound a little extra crunchy, you can add 2 radio effects.
Target Rank 29B.
You can also change and reduce the strength of them manually like this.
Call Sign Raptor. Combat Engagement Authorized. Arena Combat Aptitude Evaluation Program. Target Rank 29B. Armor Type F-22. Call Sign Raptor. Combat Engagement Authorized. Arena Combat Aptitude Evaluation Program. Target Rank 29B. Armor Type F-22.
It's really up to you, but regardless, once you're happy, you just go up to File, Export, Wave, pick your space, Start, and you're done. And now we can drag this new version of the audio into our game.
Arena Combat Aptitude Evaluation Program. Target Rank 29B. Armor Type F-22. Call Sign Raptor. Combat Engagement Authorized.
I hope that helps, and please remember that this video was brought to you by monthly members. Not a big company, just normal awesome people who support the show every month to make sure that I can keep sharing these lessons with you for free. So thank you, and as always, hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you around.